In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in split screen view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top and from the list select split screen. Now tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!